Good morning, everybody. Today is Friday morning, and I had errands to run, and this afternoon I'll actually be at the house packing it up and taking everything to a storage unit. So basically we'll just be doing packages this morning. But we do have some to do, so let's get to it. Alright, we're going to start out with a Robotech comic book. There we go. Alright, this is Robotech, the new generation, issue number 17, published by Comico. We will ship that in a Gemini mailer. We'll tape it down. And the good thing is, once I get the house all moved into the storage building, then next week I can really start focusing here on the shop and getting stuff packed up, broke down. I still don't have a new place to move to yet for the shop, and we're going to have about a 2-week gap between closing on our house here and being able to move into the new house. So we're putting the stuff in storage, and then I'll move it out and put it in the house. This Robotech comic book sold for $1.65 plus shipping, and has been listed since June the 20th of 2019, and it'll ship at the 8-ounce rate. Now we have a VHS video. We'll ship it in an 864 box. And we'll need half a sheet of bubble wrap. Alright, let's find this VHS. Should be... oh, there we go. George Jones, the living legend, in concert. Probably a previous rental, since it has that number there, but it doesn't have any numbers on the VHS. It does have these holes punched in it, though. So, at any rate, this sold. This was from the, I think I called it an afternoon country estate sale, where I spent $500. This VHS video sold for $6 with free medium mail shipping, and it has been listed since April the 24th of this year, 2021, and will ship at the 12-ounce rate. Okay, now we have a comic book, Command Eye. Alright, it is Command Eye, The Last Boy on Earth, issue number 29. You can see the Superman or Superboy costume there. Published by DC. We will ship that in a Gemini mailer. And this Command Eye comic book sold for $7.99 plus shipping, and it has been listed since March the 13th of 2018. And will ship at the 8-ounce rate. Okay, now we have a comic book, Max. There we go. And we also have this last Tops pack. Alright, so let's start off with the Tops pack. This is the last one I have. This is the 2018 Series 1 baseball called a Fat Pack. 36 cards in the pack. We're going to ship it in an 864 box. And we will need a sheet of bubble wrap. Turn the scale on. Wrap the pack up in 1/2 a sheet. There we go. Okay, and this Fat Pack sold for $24.99 plus shipping. And it took about a week, a little less than a week. I listed this on August the 1st of this year, 2021. And it'll ship at the 8-ounce rate. And now we have a comic book, The Max, number 6, published by Image. And I do have one more that's currently listed. I had a quantity of 2. We're going to ship it in a Gemini mailer. Get it taped down into place so it doesn't move around. Hopefully will prevent damage. Okay. The Max comic book sold for $2.25 plus shipping. And it has been listed since November the 14th of 2018. And it will ship at the, we'll do the 8-ounce rate. Okay, now with the loose wrestlers, oh, I don't even need that. We have the Snake. And this is Damien, Jake the Snake Roberts Snake. And when I bought this tub of loose figures, wrestling figures, there were 2 Damiens. And so I put one Damien with Jake the Snake. And then I listed this Damien by himself. So it has taken a while, but got good money. We're shipping Damien in an 864 box. And we're going to get a sheet of bubble wrap, cut it in half. Just laying down in there, fold that over a little bit, and that's it. I mean, it's very light, and you're really not going to hurt it, but we want it well protected. Now, the Damien Snake sold for $17.75 plus shipping, and has been listed since September the 17th of last year, 2020. And we'll ship at the 4-ounce rate. And now we have a Gen 13 comic book. Alright, Gen 13, issue 1, and this is the 3D edition. So it's like 1B is what you call it. J. Scott Campbell, early J. Scott Campbell. This goes in a Gemini mailer. Now let's tape it down in place. Now, the number one in this had like 13 or 15 different covers. I forget how many it had. It was a bunch of different covers, though. This Gen 13 number one sold for $1.95 plus shipping. And it has been listed since July the 14th of last year, 2020. And it will ship at the 12-ounce rate. Okay, now we have an Xbox video game right there on the front. And a Bible, large print Bible. Get these to the packing room. Okay. It is a Keystone large print New Testament with Psalms. It is the King James Version. We're going to put that in a used comic book bag. And now we're going to ship that in Gemini mailer. Now we'll just treat it like a comic book. We'll tape it down into place. Well, tape. Let me get some tape. Alright. This Keystone large print New Testament with Psalms. It is new and sealed. And it sold for $13.75 with free medium mail shipping. And it was listed on August the 3rd of this year, 2021. So it took like 4 or 5 days for it to sell. And it'll ship at the 15-ounce rate. Now we have an Xbox game, Turok Evolution. It is complete with instructions. And that will ship in an 864 box. This was part of the estate sale where I bought all the video games on the last day. I believe it was in early December of last year. And I made a lot of money on that one. We'll need half a sheet of bubble wrap. Just lay this down and it slides right in. And I like to leave them angled up. This Xbox game sold for $9.85 with free first-class shipping. And it was listed on December the 16th of last year, 2020. And it will ship at the 8-ounce rate. Okay, now we have another one of the computer video graphics cards. Let's see. That one's it. All right. This is an NVIDIA GeForce 2MX200. And I don't think this says much of anything else on it. So we will put this in a pink anti-static bag. And then I tape it down over here. Let me measure. I think it's an 864. Oh yeah, 864 box. And this came from the storage unit that went bought all this stuff from that fella. So the video graphics cards are selling quite well. And so far, everybody's been happy with them. And I know the last person left a feedback that was like, oh my gosh, it works so great. I'm able to play, I forget what it was. It's some old game on like Windows 95 or something like that. So, all working out real well. And we'll just lay this down in here and then fold and roll this. Tuck in the two sides and lay that down. This NVIDIA video graphics card sold for $33.22 with free first class shipping. It was listed July the 27th of this year, 2021, and it'll ship at the 8-ounce rate. And now we have a Star Wars comic book. Star Wars. And there it is. And we need one that is a good to good plus. That one looks better than... it's got dents and dings right there. I think this might be one where they were all damaged. And that's why I graded them so low. And that's also why they're not bagged and boarded right now. Oh, because they're already real low grades. But this is Star Wars Allegiance, issue number 4, and this is the Carrie Fisher photo variant cover. We're going to get that in a bag and board. Well, let me get that. Alright, so I'm just getting this bagged and boarded. Like I said, the photo variant cover. We're shipping it out in a Gemini mailer. So we'll tape it down. And I can relist. And I won't worry about changing the picture or anything, because I took a picture of the worst one. Because like I said, I have these down as good minus to good condition. But like the one I'm packing up here could easily grade a very good. Which is, you know, like 3 grades higher than what I have. So I will just relist. This Star Wars photo cover sold for $3.45 plus shipping. And it has been listed since June the 19th of last year, 2020. And it will ship at the 8-ounce rate. Alright, that is going to do it for this video. I had to basically splice 2 days worth of packages, or about, to make this one video. But I'm trying to make sure I get a video out every day, so we're doing it. I hope you all have a good night, and we'll see you again tomorrow for more packages. Bye-bye.